The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome to English virtual class. Today we are going to read the third storybook, The Post Office, and learn more about a postal office and a florist shop. Many people work in a post office. That is their job or occupation. What an occupation is? Have you heard this word occupation? Yes, it is an activity or work done by a person for which she is paid. An occupation is also called a job. There was one boy whose name was Rahul. When he was playing outside, suddenly one man came there and asked him, "What is your father? What's your father's occupation?" He answered, because his father was an engineer, he answered him, "My father is an engineer." And the next question that man asked was, "What is your mother? What's your mother's occupation?" He said, "My mother is a homemaker, housewife." He answered very easily to that man because he knows the meaning of occupation. Can you tell me some jobs or occupations of people? For example, doctor, police, nurse, chef, driver. These are the different occupations of the people. Children, do you know what a post office is and a florist shop is? Yes, post office is a public institution where we receive, post and deliver letters. In post office, stamps are sold. Money is sent. We post letters in a post box which is red in color. Haven't you seen a post box in front of a post office or in front of the same building? Post office serves the people. A florist shop is a shop where different varieties of flowers are sold. A person who works in a flower shop is called a florist. Now let us see the next storybook, The Post Office. All of you take your third storybook, The Post Office. Look at the picture, a post office. Have you seen a post office? Yes, it is there in Alathur and Palakkad. What color is the building? Let us now read the storybook. Open your book and take the first page. What is written on this page? We will read now. Mrs. Kamala Ravi works in the post office. Where does Mrs. Kamala Ravi work? Mrs. Kamala Ravi works in the post office. Turn the page. The post office is a big red building with many tiny rooms. See, the post office is a big red building with many tiny rooms. Inside there are many tiny rooms. The post office is a very busy place. Always busy. The post office is a very busy place. Turn the page. Many people work for the post office doing different jobs. Many people come to the office every day. Can you see here? Many tiny rooms are there and many people work for the post office doing different jobs. Can you see here? First is delivery. The board is kept here, delivery. So from here letters and parcels are delivered and that will reach to our place. If somebody is sending to us, so it will be delivered from this place. Next is stamp. So this lady is selling the stamp. This lady will inform us what price stamp we have to paste on the letter. And next is mail. So she is sending the mail. And next is orders. So money orders. If you want to send money to someone, you have to go to this person who's sending money orders. Money is sent. Now turn the page. Kamala collects letters and parcels from people who visit the post office. So Kamala's job is to collect letters and parcels from people who visit the post office. Every day, Kamala sits at her desk in front of the computer. Turn the page. On her desk, she has a few pens, a few files, some papers and a giant stapler. On her desk, what all things are there? She has a few pens, a few files, some papers and a giant stapler, a big stapler. She also has a small weighing machine. For what? To weigh the parcel, and according to the weight, she says the money. Visitors with boxes and letters stand in a line to meet Kamala. So visitors are standing in a line with boxes and parcels which they have to send to somebody. So they are standing in a line to meet Kamala. Some are old, some are young. Some carry big boxes and some carry small ones. In that line, some are old, some are young, and some carry big boxes and some carry small boxes. Here's Malati. So the first person's name is Malati. Here's Malati. Malati works at the flower shop. Next door. She has a small box in her hand. Can you see a small box in her hand? Yes. She wants to send a parcel to Delhi. Where does she want to send the parcel? To Delhi. She is sending her best friend a birthday gift. Kamala carefully weighs the box. That will be ₹100, please, she says. So, weighing machine is there on her desk. So, Kamala Ravi weighs the box and says the money. Malati pays her and says, "Thank you." Why does she say thank you to Kamala Ravi? Because Kamala Ravi has done her job. She has helped her to send the parcel to Delhi to her best friend. Kamala enjoys her job. She likes helping people. And take this page. Can you see? Many stamps are given here. So in that stamp, different amount is written. So you can study this. It is in the last page. So our storybook is over. Now all of you take your Little Thinker English and open page number 21. Activity 6.2. What is the question written on this page? Now we will see the activity 6.2. Fill in the blocks with the correct naming word. What is the naming word given in the box? Postal worker, post box, post office, florist, flower shop, letter. Now we have to fill the naming words in the correct picture. First picture is postal worker. Second picture, post office. Third picture, it is post box. Fourth picture, the person who works in a flower shop is called florist. So, in the box you can write florist. Fifth picture, letter. And last picture, it is flower shop. So you can write flower shop. Your homework for today in English is, children, you have to complete activity 6.1, page number 20 in Little Thinker English. You have to color the post box. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.